Hey friends, in this video I will show you the top 3 iOS 15 features for your iPhone as a student. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maxi and I help you being successful as a student. First of all, if you have not yet installed the iOS 15 beta and you want to know how to do it, check out my article about it in the video description on my website. So let's get started with feature number 1, and this is FaceTime. So you can now have FaceTime calls with people who do not own an Apple device. So you can organize all your group project calls with all your classmates without them needing to have an Apple device. And with FaceTime links, you can even plan them ahead and add them to calendar events so everyone can be on time and knows when your group calls will take place. If you got any value so far, please leave a like, and if not, continue watching as it can only get better. So feature number 2 is live text. And I think this can be explained best with an example from school. So let's say you do a presentation as a group project and one of your classmates sent over some handwritten notes that needs to be inserted into the presentation. And without live text, you had to take this photo and type off everything he wrote down by hand on this paper in the photo and type this off into the presentation. But now with live text, you can just take the photo and mark everything he wrote down by hand, copy it and paste it directly into the presentation. So this will be a lot faster. So I think live text is a great feature for you as a student. Feature number 3 is focus modes. And focus modes allow you to set notifications, texts, calls, and also apps for different modes. So you could, for example, have a school mode where you just want to receive texts and calls from your classmates and maybe your parents, but not from your handball team, for example. So you can set this. Or you have a study mode for studying at home where you do not want to receive any notifications and you do not want to use apps like Instagram or YouTube because they usually only distract you, and you only want to use productivity apps like Notion, Safari, or Notability, for example. And all this can be set in focus modes, and the focus modes will go over all your Apple devices. So when you have your focus mode enabled on your phone, this will also apply to your Mac and your iPad. So I think the whole feature set of focus modes will really enhance your focus as a student. So I hope these new iOS 15 features will make your life as a student easier and more productive. If you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about the best tech items for students. It's a YouTube short that will be linked in the video description. Please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.